So you're so happy because you just got a brand new phone, but it doesn't sound as loud as your friends' phones. So I'm gonna show you how you can fix that problem. I didn't know how to do it, and I had this problem. My phone didn't sound as loud as my friends' phones. So what you're gonna do is gonna go to settings, open it, and then you're gonna scroll down and look for sounds. I don't know how to say this, sorry. And then you're gonna click it, and then you're gonna have here a bunch of options, and what we're gonna use today is this one right here. And if you want to make your alarm, or your when your phone is ringing, if you want to make it louder, because I wanted that. I had my alarm and it wasn't as loud as I wanted to be, so this is how I fixed it. So I don't know if you could hear it. I'm not sure because I have a microphone in my phone right now. But yeah, if you wanna just increase the volume, you just gotta move this toggle. Just move it all the way to the right side, and the volume and the sounds are gonna be louder, and you're gonna have a better alarm so you can wake up just as I do. I just want to say thanks for your time, thanks for your attention, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description. Thank you.